Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Info Hub. In this video, I will teach you about blood composition. Blood is a specialized connective tissue which is fluid in nature. The total volume of blood in an average man is about 6 liters, and this blood it is slightly alkaline in nature with a pH of 7.4. This blood it serves important functions in the body, like it helps in the transportation of oxygen and nutrients to the tissues. It transports the waste materials to the organs of excretion. It carries the hormones from endocrine glands to various tissues. And it helps in the redistribution of water from one part to another part of the body. This blood it's composed of plasma and cellular components. Plasma and cellular components, or you may say the different corpuscles, that's the RBCs, WBCs and platelets. The fluid or liquid part of the blood is termed as plasma. This plasma contains about 90% of water, 78% of plasma proteins, and rest of the hormones, inorganic salts, etc. The three main proteins of the plasma, they are albumin, globulin and fibrogen. This albumin it's present in the most abundant quantity. It helps to regulate the osmotic pressure of the blood, and it is synthesized in the liver. This globin it helps in the production of the antibodies and boosts the immune system. It's produced by the lymph nodes, and this fibrinogen, it helps in the coagulation of the blood, or you may say the clotting of the blood. It's synthesized by the liver. The cellular components, they are also embedded in the, or they float in the plasma. The three main cellular components or three main cells of the blood, they are the RBCs, that's the red blood cells, which are also known as erythrocytes. WBCs, that's the white blood cells, which are also known as the leukocytes. And platelets, which are also known as the thrombocytes. The RBCs, they are circular, biconvex, disc-shaped cells. These RBCs, they are the cells without nucleus. They are very small in size, but they are very large in number, approximately 4.5 to 5 million per cubic millimeter of blood. These RBCs, they contain the respiratory pigment, that's the hemoglobin. It's because of this pigment the blood appears red in color, and this pigment, it helps in the transportation of oxygen to various tissues of the body. The average lifespan of these RBCs is 120 days. The WBCs or the leukocytes, they are large in size as compared to the RBCs, and they are colorless cells, and their number is also very small as compared to the RBCs. Their number is approximately 8,000 to 10,000 per cubic millimeter of blood. These white blood cells, they are known as the defense system of the bodies, because they help in fighting the infection or any other foreign material which invades our body. These WBCs, they have been classified into two types on the basis of presence of granules. If the WBCs, they contain the granules, those WBCs are known as the granulocytes, and those WBCs without granules, they are known as agranulocytes. These granulocytes, they are further classified into three types. One is the neutrophils, another is the esonophils, and third one is the basophils. These neutrophils, they help in the destruction of the bacteria, whereas these eosinophils, they help in the destruction of the inflammatory substance or allergic substances. And these basophils, they secrete a substance called as the heparin, which acts as the anticoagulant. And these agranulocytes, there are two types. One is the lymphocytes, another is the monocytes. These lymphocytes, they help in the destruction of the cancer cells or the cells which have been infected by the virus or bacteria, whereas the monocytes, they help in the process of phagocytosis, that's the engulfing of the whole bacteria. And these platelets or the thrombocytes, they are round or oval-shaped cells without a nucleus. They are very small in size, approximately 1 by 4th of the size of the RBCs. They help in the process of coagulation of the blood. They secrete a substance. That substance is known as thromboplastin, which activates the fibrogen protein of the plasma and thus help in the process of coagulation of the blood. Hope from this short video you have understood the composition of the blood. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.